I am glad to welcome all of you back to our tutorial once again. So, for this our class today, we will focus on the vowel sound. As it is in every other language, the Urhobo language also have vowel sounds. So, without further ado, we are going to get straight into business. The first vowel sound we are going to consider is the letter A. Just as it is in most languages, the letter A is practically the same in pronunciation. The letter A is pronounced as A, 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 just as it is in English language and in most language. So that one is very, very easy for you to remember and know. It is A, A, as you can see from your screen there. Letter A is A. Later we'll give examples of each of these vowel sounds. The other vowel sound we want to consider right now is the letter E. E. Does this letter E have anything in common with other languages? Arguably, but mark my words, you wouldn't want to compare. This language is different and it's unique. So how do we go about pronouncing the letter E? In Urhobo language, the letter E, as you can see from your screen, is pronounced as A, A, A. Yes, that is how it is pronounced. It is pronounced as A, A. Wait a minute. What do we have on our screen? It's the same letter E, but hold on a second. It looks different because it has a dot under. Yeah, you're right. You got it right. It has a dot under. So how do we go about pronouncing this one that has a dot under? It's different from the other one we saw. That one is plain. It's the normal letter A that we all know. Letter E rather that we all know, but this one has a dot under. So this one is not pronounced as A. It is pronounced as E, 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 E. That is how it is pronounced. The other vowel sound we want to consider is the letter I, as you can see on your screen. How do we go about pronouncing this letter I? It is pronounced as E. Yes, letter I in Urhobo language is pronounced as the letter E. It is just E, 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 just like that. Now let's consider another vowel sound in Urhobo language, which is the letter O. We pronounce the letter O in Urhobo language as O, O, O. Yes, you heard me right. That is how it is pronounced. It is pronounced as O, O. We're also going to consider another vowel sound, and it is the same O, but it has this tricky dot under again. So how do we pronounce this? This is how to pronounce it. It is pronounced as O, 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 O. Yes, you heard me right. O. That is how it is pronounced. Now, the last but not the least of the vowel sound that we will consider is the letter U. How do we pronounce the letter U? It is pronounced as U, 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 U. Is it funny? Yeah, I know it sounds funny, but don't worry. When we apply them later, it is to make sense to you. But that is how it is pronounced. It's pronounced as U, 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 U. There is usually this poem that we use to recall the vowel sounds for us to easily remember them. Let's sing it to you so that you can sing it to yourselves whenever you want to recall each of these vowel sounds. It goes something like this: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U.